you will get challan. So every day somebody will come give you a challan. So please remove it. Thank you.
We can follow this line.
Today we are here along with the district police. So Margaon town police station has sent some of their personnel. Also the Directorate of Transport Enforcement has a couple of people. PI Traffic Cell Margaon is here with some of his staff. And we have Goa Can volunteers, quite about 6 or 7 of Goa Can volunteers I think.
Municipality?
And municipality is also here. 2 JEs are here.
थँक्यू.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.